Welcome, beauty enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of nail care, and I've got some exciting tips to share with you. Did you know that your nails are not just a canvas for pretty polish, but also a window into your overall health? That's right. Those little keratin plates at the end of your fingers can tell quite a story. But here's the thing. Our nails face a daily onslaught of challenges. From harsh dish soaps to chemical-laden cleaners, not to mention our own bad habits. It's no wonder our nails often end up brittle, weak, and lackluster. But don't worry. I've got your back with 7 simple, affordable tips to transform your nails from drab to fab. And the best part, you can start right after this video. So, let's get those nails strong, healthy, and ready to shine. First up, let's talk about filing your nails the right way. You might think you've got this down, but trust me, there's a technique to it. Forget about that back and forth sawing motion. It's doing more harm than good. Instead, imagine you're gently sweeping from the edge of your nail towards the center. This method helps prevent splitting and peeling. And here's a pro tip. Ditch that metal nail file. It's too harsh on your nails. Opt for a glass or emery board file instead. Your nails will thank you for the gentle treatment. Now, on to tip number 2. Moisturize. 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 Just like your skin, your nails and cuticles need hydration to stay healthy. You don't need fancy, expensive products for this. Grab some coconut oil, olive oil, or a specialized nail cream from your local drugstore. Take a moment each day to massage this into your nails and the surrounding skin. Not only does this keep your nails flexible and less prone to breakage, but it also improves blood circulation. Better circulation means better nail growth. It's a win-win. Let's move on to tip 3. The natural nail soak. This is like a spa day for your nails, and it's so easy to do at home. Once a week, treat your nails to a warm water soak with a twist. Add some sea salt and a few lemon slices to the water. The salt acts as a natural disinfectant, while the lemon helps brighten your nails and remove any yellowing. 10 minutes is all you need. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in the health and appearance of your nails. Speaking of health, let's talk about tip 4. Eating for strong nails. You've heard the saying you are what you eat, right? Well, your nails are what you eat too. If your nails are constantly breaking or peeling, it might be a sign of nutrient deficiency. Time to raid the fridge and stock up on nail-friendly foods. Eggs and almonds are packed with biotin, a B vitamin that's crucial for nail strength. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which keep your nail beds healthy. And don't forget about zinc. You can find it in pumpkin seeds and beef. A balanced diet is your secret weapon for nails that grow long and strong. Now, I know many of you love your colorful manicures, but tip 5 might be a game changer. Give your nails a break from polish. I can hear the gasps already, but hear me out. Constant polish can dry out your nails and even lead to discoloration. Try this. After 2 or 3 polish cycles, give your nails at least a week off. Let them breathe. And when you do use polish, choose wisely. Look for formulas free from harsh chemicals like formaldehyde and toluene. Your nails will be healthier, and you'll notice a difference in their strength and appearance. Tip 6 is all about protection during chores. I know. Chores aren't fun, but they're a fact of life. The problem is, many household cleaning products are nail kryptonite. Dishwashing liquids and other cleaners can weaken your nails, making them soft and prone to breakage. The solution: gloves are your new best friend. Slip them on before you start scrubbing, and your nails will stay protected. And don't forget, after you're done, wash and moisturize your hands. It's an extra step that goes a long way in maintaining nail health. Last but not least, tip 7, the daily nail and hand massage. This might sound indulgent, but it's a simple habit that can make a big difference. Take just 3 to 5 minutes each day to massage your hands and nails. Use your favorite hand lotion and really work it into your skin and around your nails. This little ritual does wonders for circulation, keeps your skin soft, and encourages stronger nail growth. Plus, it's a great way to de-stress after a long day. Now, let's recap what we've learned. Healthy, strong nails come from a combination of external care and internal nutrition. File gently in one direction, keep your nails and cuticles moisturized, treat them to a weekly soak, eat a nail-friendly diet, give them polish breaks, protect them during chores, and show them some love with daily massages. It's important to remember that nails grow slowly, about 3 millimeters per month, so be patient. Stick with these tips, and within 1 to 2 months, you'll start to see noticeable improvements. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that everyone's nails are different. What works for one person might not work for another, so feel free to experiment and find the routine that works best for you. The key is consistency and patience. Treat your nails with care, and they'll reward you with strength and beauty. So, which of these tips are you excited to try? Have you already incorporated some of these into your routine? I'd love to hear about your experiences. Drop a comment below and share your nail care journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more beauty tips and tricks. Your support means the world to me and helps me continue creating content you love. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, strong, healthy nails are just a few simple steps away. Take care of your nails, and they'll take care of you. Until next time, keep those nails fabulous, and I'll see you in the next video.